Introducing yourself sounds simple, but for many people, it is one of the most difficult things to do. Not because they don't know their name, but because they don't feel confident. They overthink, they get nervous, they worry about what others will think. But here is the truth. A powerful self-introduction is not about using big words. It is about being clear, confident, and real. There was once a young student who struggled with this. Every time he had to introduce himself, his heart started racing, his voice became shaky, and his mind went blank. He knew who he was, but he didn't know how to express it. One day, his teacher called him in front of the class and said, "Introduce yourself." He stood there, frozen. Everyone was watching. He tried to speak, but the words didn't come out properly. After the class, he felt embarrassed. He decided something had to change. The next day, he went to his teacher and asked, "How can I introduce myself confidently?" The teacher smiled and said something simple. Confidence does not come from thinking, it comes from practice. Then the teacher gave him a structure. A great self-introduction has only 5 parts. The student listened carefully. Part 1. Start with your name. Clear and confident. Hello, my name is... Simple. No overthinking. Part 2. Say where you are from. This gives identity. I am from... Part 3. Talk about what you do. Are you a student, working professional? I am currently studying, or I work as... Part 4. Share your goal or passion. What do you want to become? I am passionate about... I want to become... This shows direction. Part 5. End with confidence. Something simple. Nice to meet you, or thank you. That's it. No complicated sentences, no pressure, just clarity. The student followed this structure. He practiced every day, in front of a mirror, while walking, even in his mind. At first, he still felt nervous, but slowly his confidence improved, because confidence is built through repetition, not perfection. A week later, he got another chance. This time, when he stood up, he paused. He took a deep breath, and he spoke. Hello, my name is... His voice was steady, not perfect, but better. And that was enough, because progress is more important than perfection. Remember this, people are not judging you as much as you think. They are focused on themselves. Your job is not to impress everyone. Your job is to express yourself clearly. A good self-introduction creates a strong first impression. It shows confidence. It shows clarity. It shows self-respect. And first impressions matter. In interviews, in meetings, in conversations. So never ignore this skill. Practice it. Improve it. Master it. Because the way you introduce yourself can open doors you never imagined. Here is a simple example. Hello, my name is Alex. I'm from London. I am currently studying business. I am passionate about improving myself and building a successful career. Nice to meet you. That's it. Simple, clear, confident. You don't need perfect English. You don't need a perfect accent. You need practice. You need courage. You need consistency. Every time you introduce yourself, you become better. Every time you speak, your fear becomes smaller. So don't wait. Start today. Stand in front of a mirror. Introduce yourself again and again. Because one day you will speak without fear, without hesitation, with confidence. And that confidence will change your life.